Alrighty, here we are back and doing the Edible Plagues series. We're doing this all week long. So basically, I'm going to have roughly 2 videos a day, unless we did 2 plagues in one or more, which actually there's only one that we did 2 plagues in. And so the rest of them are just 1 plague. So I will have 2 videos posted each day, except for on the one day where there's 2 in 1. I hope that made sense. So for this one, we are doing Edible Plague number 5. And that is disease on livestock. So all we did was we took some ice cream. We had both vanilla and chocolate, and that was to represent like cows or something, you know, how you have white and black spots on cows or whatever, you know. So we just 1 scoop each per kid, and they got to decorate it. They put strawberries on there, that cut up strawberries and whatnot on there for it to represent disease on the livestock. And then the Tootsie Rolls were for their legs. That was a lot of fun to do. And tasty, of course, because it's ice cream. I mean, who doesn't like ice cream? If you don't like ice cream, don't answer that question.
Ryan. I thought you were taking a picture. That's a funny prank.
You're doing ice cream for what? For what?
Passion?
Yeah, which plague are you doing?
The death of the cows. Mommy cows.
Death of livestock, or disease on livestock.
I'm making the cow on the ice cream. Why does it look like a camel? My thing looks like a camel.
It does?
It looks like a camel. Or sheep. I don't know.
Is camel considered a livestock?
Yep.
What do we need these for? What do we need these for?
Okay.
All right, Ryan, come on, that's enough.
I gotta get a sheep.
Now you need to make a head. A head for the body.
I don't want to build a sheep.
You don't want to build a sheep?
No.
So what do we have for the body? Ariella, what'd you make for the body?
Ice cream for the body, Tootsie Rolls for the legs, and then these are gonna be the boils. Disease.
Okay.
Yum. Diseased cows. Yum.
Yummy.
I wonder if I can get one to stick on them. What is it? I got one to stick on the side. I'm happy.
There you have it, folks. That's Edible Plague number 5. So tasty. I hope you guys try it for yourselves and let us know what you think. Stay tuned for the next one. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next video coming up. If you don't want to miss anything at all, then be sure to hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time we put up a video. So thanks for watching, you guys. Be blessed.